guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to share a few tips that can help you if you're thinking about breastfeeding. I really want to stress is drinking water. You want to stay hydrated. Of course you want to eat healthy and everything, but I was told that you got to stay hydrated. Some people think that if you drink a lot of water it's going to help produce a lot of milk. Some people don't believe that. It's up to you, but I think just to be on the safe side, drink a lot of water, stay hydrated. You don't want to get sick or something like that. Another probably important thing that you can use is a boppy, especially in the beginning, so that you can adjust. But honestly, my daughter's kind of outgrown that, and I do still use a pillow now that she's 3, but I actually just use like a normal like couch pillow, and I use that. But yeah, a boppy or some kind of a pillow, because maybe you don't want to spend money on that. In the beginning it came very much in handy, so yeah. Another good thing to have is one of these like washcloths. Any kind of washcloth will do. The reason for this, I used to use it more so in the beginning, probably the first 6 months. I would get very like, I guess, engorged and like lumps and stuff like that, and to prevent like blockage and to just help, like I said, massage, but also wet this with really warm water. And sometimes I would wet it with warm water and then put it in the microwave, and then just put it on the inside of your bra or hold it if you want. And this hot compress on there is just gonna help the flow come out. I can't stress this enough, especially if you're like engorged to the point where it's so like painful and hard to the touch, like oh my gosh. Another important thing to have is nipple cream, the one that I stand by. I don't know if they still make it, I hope they do. It's the one by Honest Company, and it was like a little purple box. That's the one I used. I purchased it a few times. I don't use it anymore. I don't feel like I need it anymore at this point. But if I had to do it again, I would use them. But any kind of nipple cream I think would be very beneficial to have for those times where you're just feeling like they're cracked a little bit and you need that. So another thing that goes hand in hand with that is those like breast pads that you insert inside your bra. They come from different companies. I actually use the purple Lancino ones, and they work just great. And I do know that some other company, I can't remember the name, they actually have reusable ones where I guess you wash them and stuff like that. I never tried it, but I guess that could be a more economical version that you can try. But yeah, it helps to have something in there in the bra, so that it's just because you're very sensitive, and also it's in the beginning you're gonna leak, and that helps. So make sure you eat a snack or something. That was always important for me, whether it's like a little protein bar, something like yogurt parfaits or just yogurt by itself were always my go-to. So I don't know, you really need a support system. Make sure you have that, because on the days where you really feel defeated, you feel like giving up, or you're just like in pain and stuff like that, those are the people that are going to help you. They're going to be the people that are out there that they'll warm up that washcloth to help you when you're engorged. Little things like that, and that's going to really make a difference. So I can't stress that enough. And also for me, on my cell phone, I had my lactation consultant, like the office and everything. I had them on speed dial, and I can't stress that enough, because when you really need it, when you're like, what if you have mastitis or you have a question or whatever, you don't want to be like looking on the internet or thinking, oh, where did I misplace the card, the information and stuff like that. So you're gonna want that on hand, and just put that like in your contacts. For me, I had it on speed dial, and thank goodness I did that. That might be another video, but long story short, my daughter wasn't feeding, and I thought it was a problem. Maybe I gave her a pacifier too much. But long story short, she ended up having torticollis, and I didn't find out until I took my daughter to the lactation consultant. So I can't stress the importance of having a lactation consultant in your contacts, in your phone book, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll answer as best as possible. I'm not a professional in any way, but I have been breastfeeding for 3 years, so I might have learned a few things along the way. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe. I do plan on getting back into making videos for you guys. And yeah, so take care and see you next time.